LaView B9 is an extraordinary home security camera of 1080 pixels supportive with a wide angle up to 130 degrees. With its night vision and IP65 rated waterproof design, B9 secures your home day and night from the rain or sunshine. Also, it's compatible with Alexa and multi-family member sharing. You could even get access to the US cloud service built in and check the footage anywhere and anytime. Step 1. Download and install the LaView app. Complete the registration. Step 2. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network. Step 3. Click Add icon to add a camera. Select Video Surveillance, then Smart Camera. Step 4. Link the adapter to the camera in the package. Press the reset button and hold for 5 seconds until you hear a beep. The reset button is at the bottom of the camera and is near the SD card slot. Step 5. Wait until the LED indicator flashes rapidly. That means the camera is ready for pairing. Step 6. Enter the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi password to create a QR code that contains your Wi-Fi information. Make sure your Wi-Fi is in a status of 2.4 GHz. Step 7. Use the camera to scan the QR code. Keep the camera 6 to 8 inches away from the phone so the camera works perfectly with its focus. Step 8. Press I heard a beep. When the camera beeps, and the camera will start pairing. When connecting, make sure your router, mobile phone, and the camera are closed. Step 9. Wait until the camera is connected and registered to your account. Now you can start using the camera. There are different features on the home screen of the app. Time watermark can be turned on or off in basic function settings. Signal strength indicates your camera's stability of the network. To ensure the user experience of a camera, please check the camera is placed at a location where the Wi-Fi signal is higher than 80%. Volume setting allows you to activate and deactivate the mute mode. Graphics settings. Both standard definition and high definition mode are provided as options of the image clarity. Full screen mode. For our users' better viewing experience, we have a full screen function built in the app. Press the icon on the bottom right for clearer vision. Screenshot. The screenshot will be saved to the LaView app's album. Speaking. You can talk to the people near the camera with your phone. Recording. Recorded video clips can be saved to the LaView app's album. Playback. The footage will be stored into the SD card and played if you have an SD card inserted in the slot. Cloud storage will upload your footage to the cloud. You'll be able to view and play these clips. Fees and subscription are batched with an individual device. Alarm. There are 2 types of alarms of motion detection and sound detection. You can adjust the alarm sensitivity level to low, medium, high for motion detection. Also, you can use the red frame to set a certain area for the detection or enable human body filter to reduce the false alarms. For sound detection, you can also modify the alarm sensitivity level. There is a time mode for motion and sound detection which allows you to select a specific schedule for alarm trigger. Photo album. You can browse the screenshot and recorded videos here. And in the top right corner, there's a setting icon. On the top of the screen, there's the name of your camera. It provides you with icon customization, device name, and device location settings for your camera. Then there goes the device information. You can find out the camera administrator, virtual ID, and other device information. The LaView B9 camera also supports third-party smart home speakers such as Amazon Echo and Google Assistant, please check out our user manual or additional video tutorials for specific setup instructions. Enabling private mode will disable the LaView and playback function for privacy concerns. Basic function settings allow you to turn on or off the status indicator, time watermark, and flip the screen if needed. IR night vision helps you to get clear vision at night. You can switch it on, off, or to auto mode. And we recommend using the auto mode that allows the camera to turn on the IR function automatically in a scene of low light. The storage settings demonstrate your storage capacity status. Local recording is enabled by default. If you turn off the local recording, the camera won't write your data on the SD card. There are two recording modes, non-stop and event recording. In non-stop mode, you can have the camera recording continuously. As for the event recording, the camera will be set to record only while detecting the sound or motion. You can set up a recording schedule in the schedule setting. The SD card will overwrite the oldest data once fully used. Also, you could simply format the SD card by the app if you would like to clear the space. You can subscribe the video cloud storage service by clicking VAS or cloud storage. Offline notification will allow the camera to send a notification once the camera stays offline over 30 minutes. FAQ and feedback. You can find a common issue and solution. And if the problem is still not resolved, feel free to send us the feedback and we will get back to you once we receive it. Share device. You can share the device to another account to grant him access to the camera. If you wish to connect this camera to other accounts, please remove the device from account first and then add it to the new account.